these products work really good, but this just took their line to like a whole new level. Like a whole new world. Hi Curlies and it's Curly Kyra, and before we start this video, I wanted to say Happy New Year! This is my first review of the new year. And before we start this video, don't forget to say hey to Beyonce! Today, I will be bringing you a review on what you asked. On this product line called Hair of Nature. And I also achieved this look using only the beautiful Hair of Nature collection. So first I will be inserting a few clips of me washing my hair with their shampoo and their conditioner, and then I'll be showing you how I achieved this beautiful look. And before I insert the clips, I just wanted to say that Hair of Nature is actually sponsoring this video, but that does not affect how I like the products because I really like them and they work really good for my hair. So let's get into the clips, which are this way, or that 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 way. I don't know which way. So first we will be washing my hair with the deep conditioner and the Curl Moisture shampoo. Wait, it's the Herbal Reconstruction Deep Conditioner and the Curl Moisture shampoo. This is how I achieved this look. What do you think? So first we're gonna go over the names of the product line. So first we have the Herbal Reconstruction Deep Conditioner. That's what I use to wash my hair. And we have Twist Defying Cream. Curl Moisture shampoo. Here we have Shea Mango Scalp Butter. We also have Curl Amplifying Lotion. healthy hair oil, and leave-in conditioner. So now let's get into the coolest product I've seen so far. It's comb clips. So like you don't have to get a comb, then clip, then comb, then clip. When you can have a comb on a clip. So you comb your hair and then you just clip it without having to get a clip and comb it. That's like, they're geniuses. Like that's so smart. It solves all your problems. These products work really good, but this just took their line to like a whole new level. Like a whole new world. Like, yeah. Hair of Nature definitely gets my curl poppin' approval. Do I like these products? Yes. Did they work for me? Yes. Should you purchase them? Yes, because they will work for you. And guess what? Use code Kyra, to get 10% off these products. So that's it for my review. Hair of Nature is really a really good product line. Like this is the best twist out I've ever had. And when I was washing my hair with their conditioner and shampoo, my curl pattern was, I can't find a word for it. Maybe all the greatest words in every language. So, thanks for watching, Curlies. Don't forget to like, share, and most importantly, subscribe. And follow me on Instagram, Kyra_Marwan. And see you on Friday, Curlies. Oh, and I almost forgot. Don't forget to say bye to Beyonce. Look, she's even wearing her thing. She's saying bye too. That's very nice.